Welcome to our channel. We are Tech and Tips YouTube channel. This is our first video. This is a tutorial on how to make money using Chat GPT online. Chat GPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can use Chat GPT to create content for your online business and earn money in the process. Step 1. Identify a niche. The first step in making money using Chat GPT is to identify a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential market. For example, if you are interested in technology, you can create a blog or a YouTube channel that covers the latest tech trends and reviews of new products. Other potential niches could include health and wellness, personal finance, parenting, or travel. The key is to choose a niche that you are genuinely interested in and that has an active audience. Step 2. Create content. Once you have identified your niche, you can use Chat GPT to generate high-quality, engaging content that will attract readers and viewers to your website or channel. You can use Chat GPT to write blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and even script for your YouTube videos. Chat GPT can help you to generate unique and interesting content ideas, and it can also help you to write the content in a way that is engaging and easy to understand. Step 3. Optimize your content. To get the most out of your content, it's important to optimize it for search engines. This means using keywords and phrases that are relevant to your niche and that people are searching for online. You can use Chat GPT to help you research and identify these keywords and phrases. Once you have a list of keywords, you can use them to optimize your content by including them in your title, meta description, and throughout the body of your content. Step 4. Monetize your content. Once you have a steady stream of traffic to your website or channel, you can start to monetize it by using various methods such as AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. AdSense is a program that allows you to place ads on your website or channel and earn money every time someone clicks on one of the ads. Affiliate marketing is another popular method that allows you to earn a commission on sales made through your unique referral link. Sponsorship is when a company pays you to feature their product or service in your content. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Another important aspect of making money using Chat GPT is engaging with your audience. You can use Chat GPT to generate responses to comments and messages, which will help to build a loyal following and keep your audience engaged. Responding to comments and messages in a timely and personalized manner will help to build trust and credibility with your audience, which will ultimately lead to more traffic and revenue for your business. Conclusion. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality content and earn money online. By identifying a niche, creating content, optimizing it for search engines and monetizing it, you can build a successful online business. Remember to also engage with your audience to build a loyal following. You can use Chat GPT to generate responses to comments and messages, which will help to keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to always keep your content fresh and engaging, and be consistent with your posting schedule. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. It is helping Tropic, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.